In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut. Adding a watermark to your videos is an easy and effective way to protect your content, build brand recognition, and ensure your work gets the credit it deserves. Whether you're a creator, a small business, or just someone sharing videos online, a well-designed watermark can go a long way. And the great thing is, CapCut makes it super simple to add one. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and create that perfect transparent watermark. To get started, open your video project in CapCut. Once your project is loaded, look for the Text tab. On the mobile app, you'll find it at the bottom of your screen. If you're using the desktop software, it'll be located at the top of the screen instead. Once you've found it, click or tap on Add Text to create a new text layer for your watermark. Now, type in the text you'd like to use for your watermark. This could be your name, your brand, or even your social media handle. Adding something like this helps viewers recognize your work and identify your content wherever it's shared. Next, it's time to style your watermark. In the Style or Font section, you'll want to choose a font that matches your brand's look or feels clean and professional on your video. For most cases, sans serif fonts work best because they're easy to read and don't distract too much from your content. Then adjust the font size so it's small enough to place in a corner, but still big enough to be noticeable. After that, choose a color that contrasts well with your video's background. For example, if your video is dark, white works great. On the other hand, if your video has a lighter background, black will stand out more. Take a moment here to make sure the text is readable without being overpowering. Once you've styled the text, you'll need to adjust its opacity to make it transparent. On the mobile app, you'll find the opacity option in the bottom toolbar. If you're on the desktop version, look for the opacity slider in the right-hand panel under the Text tab. Drag the slider down to lower the opacity, aim for somewhere between 20 and 30%. This way, your watermark will be visible but subtle, blending into the video without pulling attention away from your main content. Now that your text is styled and transparent, drag the text box to one of the corners of your video. Placing your watermark in a corner keeps it out of the main focal areas where the action happens. Just make sure it doesn't cover any important visuals like faces, graphics, or key elements in your video. Take a moment to test different corners to find the best placement for your specific footage. Finally, you'll want to ensure that your watermark stays visible for the entire duration of your video. To do this, go to the timeline and stretch the end of the text clip so it matches the length of your video footage. This step is crucial because you don't want your watermark disappearing halfway through your video. Double check that it's perfectly aligned with your video's runtime before moving on. And that's it. You've successfully created a transparent watermark in CapCut. By following these steps, you now have a professional-looking watermark that protects your content and reinforces your brand identity. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.